What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers. It's Saturday. Just got done training legs in my gym. Check it out. Hold on, let me show you. Yeah, buddy. Bam. We still alright. We still keeping it somewhat already. But anyway, so about to go take Denise to a nice dinner. And this is a new restaurant. Well, it's not a new restaurant, but we've never been there, so it's new to us. And it's one of those places where you gotta get a reservation like 2 weeks early to get in, you know what I'm saying? So I thought it'd be kind of fun to take you guys along with me. You know what, man? Fuck it. Before I roll out, I'm gonna go ahead and knock out a little abs. Abs looking a little soft. Gotta go ahead and pump them bitches back up, man. Get them back going. You don't use it, you lose it. You hear me? But yeah, I don't know why, man. It's always, my lower body always stay nice and defined no matter how fat I get. No matter how much crap I eat, legs are gonna stay lean. Still good, man. Abs, they looking all right. They looking all right. Hey, boy. I'll let her know, Bruno. I'll tell her right now. Bruno said you looking good, mama.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I big dog. Bruno said, your mama look good. He said he wish he can go get some of this good food. So what's the name of this restaurant?
Wolf Pack, I think.
Wolfgang Puck is I don't think he's in there cooking, but it's like he's one of his restaurants. Yeah. Okay, went to try this. And this is in downtown Dallas. Got a nice view of downtown. I'm gonna show all this to you guys. Looking good, girl. Baby is like literally tomorrow's supposed to be the due date, but we don't think it's gonna come tomorrow. No. The doctor said we were a little late, which is fine by me. But you know, she's ready. She's ready to let this go. Lower back issues. She's snoring. It's uncomfortable to sleep. She can't get calm. She sleep damn near sitting up. It's hella weird watching her sleep. All right, guys, check it out. What kind of boots are these again?
Stacy's.
Chelsea's. Aldos.
I don't know.
They all look the same.
Yeah.
I call them the Alphalete.
The Alphalete shoes.
Russ Swole, Charlie, Christian Guzman. They all wear the same shit when they go out. The same fucking shoes.
Same shoes.
I call them Alphalete shoes.
With your loyalty in your position. And now I gotta execute because you won't listen. It's too big,
Alright guys, let's check it out. See that ball up there? That's where we're having dinner. So
really nice with this.
We're gonna be at the very top, looking down, getting those views. Alright, we got the valet. It's time, baby. You ready?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
I'm starving too. Let's get it. As y'all see, guys, we're like 100 million stories high right now. We're still going up in the elevator. All that wine over there. So guys, we're here looking at the menu. Check this out, I don't know if y'all can tell, but the whole upstairs, it spins around in a circle so you can get a nice view of downtown. Check it out. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. I'm loving the views right now. Hopefully I'm loving the food too. I'm gonna get me a nice glass of wine because your boy feeling fine. You hear me? You know I like my shit sweet like my baby. Sweet and strong, like Denise. I'm on that bougie shit today. Had to get a glass of wine. Oh, thank you, sir. What is this?
This is going to be the organic chicken dumpling with Szechuan chili chicken dan dan.
Okay.
With, pork belly pot.
Tell him about this right here, the story of how we got this.
So the guy that came to wait us, he's a huge fan of Chris, and he waited till the chef to give us a complimentary of all the things on the appetizer.
Yeah, man. One of the guys that work here recognized me and said, "I'm hooking you up with a free sampler." That's love, man. Love. All right, baby, give it a try.
All right, so this is a egg roll, but it's lobster.
A lobster egg roll. Like it, baby? All right, let's try these ribs, baby. You know we love our ribs. What you think, baby? You like that? Yes. You know I'm a baby back rib guy. These ribs, I just ordered a steak dinner, right? I should have just ordered 20 of these, man. These are too damn good. Check it out, guys. They bring you steaming hot towels to wipe your hands, man. Bougie, man. Some bougie shit, man. Hey, I'm trying something different, man. Which rolls are which?
That's the dragon roll.
Oh, the dragon? Okay. Yeah, I already know what y'all thinking, guys. They had to get them rolls. Look, we've been eating sushi for how many years now, baby?
About 4 or 5 years now.
We can't stop now. We found out they had rolls here. We had to try them. How they tasted?
They're pretty good.
They're pretty good?
Not
They ain't
better-
like blue though,
not
huh?
better than blue,
But they
they're
pretty good though, huh? All right, so we keep it real, but keep it honest, baby. Them appetizers we just had were amazing,
Was amazing.
especially those ribs.
Try the dragon one, baby. Try the dragon one.
Oh.
151 and then Myers started.
Oh man,
Wow. I like that.
this looks amazing. Thank you, man. They gave me this new drink called Peace on Earth. It looks delicious. Oh, we got more appetizers right here, baby. What are these called, babe?
I forgot. He said something.
They're like some, I don't know, some juicy meat with some kind of bread. Look, man, this is my first time here, man. I'm just enjoying the experience, man. Living my best life. I ain't going back and forth with these niggas. This is a beautiful spot. This is beautiful, baby.
It is beautiful.
Baby, we're gonna experience more new things together.
I agree.
We've been getting in the same routine of, going to the same restaurants, doing the same thing every weekend.
Yeah.
And not that I don't enjoy it, but there's so much things to do and so many places to try.
Yeah. A lot. Dallas is huge.
I think, honestly, when it comes to relationships, that's how you keep the spice going. Take trips together. Try different activities together.
Yeah.
Go on trips together, right? Go new restaurants together.
Yeah.
Who knows, when we get old and I'm not going to the gym 6 days a week, maybe take yoga together. You know, just try new things together, experience it together.
Because you already have a repetitive lifestyle Monday
Yeah.
through Friday when you work. So at least on the weekends, do something different.
When things get repetitive, guys, just try something different and get out of that slump of repetitive. Exactly. Create memories.
Yes.
All right? One more look at these views. We got dinner on the way, guys. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys. Here's dinner. I got me a New York strip. What you got, baby?
The half chicken.
The half chicken. Spin that plate around, baby. And we got some sides coming, right?
Yes, we do. Just waiting on them.
Oh, I think I got another drink on the way. With that Brussels sprouts?
Braised Brussels sprouts here.
Okay.
Extra Philly potatoes or pop sprouts?
Oh, what's that? The fried potatoes?
Yes.
Okay.
We also have our extra large fried rice.
And some fried rice. Okay, we got crispy potatoes, fried rice, and Brussels sprouts.
Yes.
We have the half chicken. And I got me a New York strip. And guys, no taste test needed. This is going to be delicious. Oh, thank you, sir. Guys, they treat me like royalty here, man.
Royalty.
They treated us good. Guys, everything tastes amazing. Even the Brussels sprouts. And I don't even like Brussels sprouts. All right, guys, so now it's pitch black outside. Let me give y'all some more of these nighttime views, guys. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And as you see, guys, come on, man. Let me zoom out. Come on, y'all think the beef wasn't gonna finish this food? See this chicken bone? I finished Denise's food, too. I don't play no games, man. I ain't trying to be skinny. I mean, I eat big and stay small. Oh, man, what is this?
So right here is our 10-year chocolate souffle. We got our creme fraiche, our champagne gelato.
Chocolate. Oh, shit.
Our 10-year chocolate.
Oh, don't be jealous of those cookies, baby. Don't be jealous. Look at these views, guys. That's the ball. We were just up there having dinner. We home, Bruno. Hey, boy. All right, homies and homies. So as you see, we came home. Woke up from a little nap. As you see, we in our bedtime. Ooh, upper pants. All right. Show them a little snack we got, man.
Some fresh pineapple.
Denise got us fresh pineapples. Not the shit in the can. The shit you gotta cut and do all that work.
Yes.
But supposedly it tastes much fresher and sweeter.
Yes, sweeter. And it's supposed to help me
Get this baby
get
out
this
of
baby
you, huh?
up out of me.
That's what they say. And you already know I had to get me another glass of wine.
Because you're bored.
Because you're bored. It's feeling fine. I got that sweet Moscato. I like my shit sweet. Like I like my
man.
woman.
He always say the same lines, guys. Don't be listening to him.
No surprises.
No surprises with him.
Anyway, I'm gonna end this video here. We're about to watch Walking Dead. We got it saved on our direct TV, that little recorder box.
Yeah.
About to watch Walking Dead, and then we're gonna go back to sleep. I'm gonna be up in the morning, get right back in that grind, right back in that gym, guys. Update: I'm between 190 and 193. My weight has been stuck there for the past 2 or 3 weeks. Just been maintaining, enjoying life, anticipating the arrival of the baby.
Yep.
You know, I'm not really cutting or trying to get fat or anything. I'm just keeping myself tight so I can be ready for anything. Because who knows, when these new clothes come, I might go on a mini tour and do meetups. I want to look good, or I might do a photo shoot, you know, shred 5 pounds and do a photo shoot. Just be ready for anything. Got some collabs coming up. I got a classic physique competitor coming to work out with me real soon. Can y'all guess who it is? Denise know who it is.
I know who it is.
And he's going to be coming to collab with me real soon. So be looking out for some great vids. And be looking out for their launch really soon. Thank you for everybody that's supporting. And I'll catch you later. Don't forget to like my shit. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your motherfucking boy. Peace. We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.